The following video details our TowerPak service and all that it entails. What is TowerPak? It is customer-specific material management and shipping logistics. We do the work for you, all the way from the design assistance, drawing development, packaging solutions to the laydown yard or the installation site. In doing so, we allow you to spend your valuable time stringing lines instead of sorting, counting, verifying, and staging material at the laydown. Our TowerPak program is a better way of ordering by tower assemblies, eliminating sorting process in field, avoiding lost or misplaced parts, verifying component compatibility, getting engineering support all the way through a project. How do we do this? Our process is broken into 4 simple steps. 1. Assembly design and manufacturing. 2. Assembly fit check. 3. Packaging per assembly or customer specifications. 4. Shipping and delivery. In our assembly design phase, we coordinate with the customer to ensure that our designs meet the requirement of the customer and the installation crews. We accomplish this through our engineering team, which has combined experience of 200 industry years, and our sales team, with another combined experience of 67 industry years. We have standard transmission assemblies that make it easy for the customer to figure out what they want, and we also have the capability of custom designs if needed. With the help of our new product development team, pattern shop, and our state-of-the-art 3D prototype lab, we are able to design complex designs that meet the needs of the customer. After the design phase, we check the fit and form our assemblies through our fit check process. This process is useful in catching any design irregularities or any incompatibility with a customer item. We also offer Corona RIV testing for our projects to ensure that our design can meet the voltage level demanded of the assembly. In our packaging phase, we make it easy for you by packing to the customer or contractor specs. We have the capability of packing our assemblies in multiple ways. Some of the ways are as follows: phase kits, structure kits, custom kits, bulk pack, partially assembled kits, etc. Here is an example of a component list that doesn't use TowerPak. And now here is a component list for the same order using TowerPak, thereby making it easier for the customer to pick up a box, set it at the tower, and install. We also provide detailed engineering instructions and drawings to make it easy for the contractor to read and follow directions. Our assembly info includes, but not limited to, the following: part number, description or material, ultimate strength, weight, quantity. In our shipping phase, our products are shipped and delivered with the customer in mind. We make sure the package has all the info readily available and visible. In summary, we strive to be a one-stop shop for all your needs while helping you reduce complexity in orders by reducing line items in orders, reduce cost of testing, remove the process and cost of sorting in the laydown yard or warehouse, create needed products, gain an extra set of eyes while maintaining component fit and function, create an efficient construction process at the job site, save time and money. Thank you for watching, and please visit our website for more information.